If you want to make the fade out longer in Audacity, you're in the right place. In this quick tutorial, I'm going to show you the simplest way to increase the fade out duration so your audio ends more smoothly and naturally. This is especially useful for music, podcasts, voiceovers, and any project where you don't want the ending to cut off too suddenly. If this video helps you out, make sure to hit like and subscribe for more easy Audacity tutorials. Let's jump in. First, open your project in Audacity and find the section where your fade out is already applied or where you want the ending fade to happen. If the fade is too short, the easiest fix is to redo the selection instead of trying to force the old one to work. Audacity creates the fade based on the length of the selected audio, so the longer the selection, the longer the fade out will be. Before you make any changes, press Ctrl+Z to undo the existing fade if you already applied one. This brings your track back to its original state so you can start fresh. If you haven't added the fade yet, you can skip this part and move straight to the selection step. Now, choose the selection tool, which is the cursor icon in the toolbar. This tool lets you highlight the exact part of the track you want to affect. Click and drag near the end of your audio to select a larger portion of the track than before. The key here is to make the selection long enough to create a smoother fade. For music, a selection of around 5 to 10 seconds is often a good starting point, but you can make it even longer if you want a more gradual ending. Once your selection is highlighted, go up to the menu bar and click Effect, then Fading, and then choose Fade Out. Audacity will apply the fade out across the entire selected area, so because you made the selection longer, the fade will now take more time to reach silence. That is the main trick to making a fade out longer in Audacity. After applying the effect, play the end of your track to hear the difference. If it still feels too fast, just undo it again and make the selection even longer. You can repeat this process as many times as needed until the fade sounds right. This gives you a lot of control over how smooth and professional your ending feels. A quick tip: if you're working with voice or dialogue, you may want a shorter fade than you would for music, but if you're making a cinematic outro, ambient track, or song ending, a longer fade often sounds much more polished. The goal is to make the transition feel natural instead of abrupt. So to recap, if you want a longer fade out in Audacity, undo the old fade, select a bigger section at the end of the track, and then apply Effect Fading, Fade Out again. That's it. Simple, fast, and beginner-friendly. If this tutorial helped you, please give it a like, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss more Audacity tips and editing guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.